Hi everybody. Today we're going to look at some grammar and we're going to look at language, workbook page 167. This page is some more practice on dictionary. We've been doing ABC order and also learning about the dictionary, how a dictionary uses guide words. And really, let's look here. We'll just read what it says. A dictionary is a book that tells about words. The words at the top of each page are called the guide words. They are the first and last words on that page. All of the words on the page are listed in alphabetical order between the two guide words. Right? So a dictionary is a great tool. It tells us the meaning of the words. It also tells us the part of speech, whether it's a noun, adjective, verb. And then it gives us, many words have several definitions depending upon how it's used. And they list out those definitions. Sometimes a word can be used as a noun, can be used as an adjective form. It can also be used as a verb. And so it'll list all that out and the different meanings and spellings that go with it. So dictionaries really are a very helpful tool, especially when you're writing papers and you're trying to vary your vocabulary. You'll use dictionaries. We'll also talk about a thesaurus. That's another reference book tool that you can use in your writing to help you along the way. Today, though, let's practice and focus on our ABC order again, but also trying to figure out which of these words, and think A, we're trying to find the word that fits between the two guide words. It would be on that page. So some of the words are going to come before and some of them may come way after. Okay? All of them are going to start with the same first letter. So we're looking at the second, third, or sometimes even the fourth letter of the word. So let's look at the first set. We have harp and hat. We need to know which of these, the three words, would we find on that page. It comes in between. Is it harbor, horn, or hasty? Just like anytime we do multiple choice things, are there any that we can eliminate? Any of these words that you know definitely are not on this page? Well, they all start with H, but do they all start with H-A? Well, the word horn doesn't, does it? It's H-O. We can eliminate the word horn right away. So that's nice. We only have two words now to look at. We're looking at harbor and hasty. Okay. The first word harp is H-A-R, just like harbor. So we have to go to the fourth letter. What's the fourth letter of harbor? It's a letter B. The fourth letter of harp is a P. Which one comes first? Does B come before P? If it does, the word harbor would be on the page that came before, most likely. It would be on a previous page. Right? And B does. B comes before P. So harbor cannot be on this page. Hasty is on this page. We'll find the H-A-S. S comes after R, but it comes before T. So that's how I know that I would find the word hasty on that page. Let's try another one, right? Perfect practice makes perfect. So let's do some more practice here. We have the word plain and plant. Those are our two guide words. And our three choices are planet, plastic, and penny. Are there any of these that can we eliminate any of these right away? It has to start with P-L-A in order to be on this page. Most likely you talked out to your screen or you noticed right away that the word penny, it's P-E. Let's just remove that from our choices. And we're only looking at these two. We have P-L-A-N and P-L-A-S. Which one will we find? Well, we're looking at those fourth letters, right? N and S, because we have an I and an N. Can you tell which one would be on this page? Which one did you think? Well, hopefully you realize that an S comes after an N. So this one couldn't be on there. It has to be planet. Okay, good job. All right. If you didn't get it right, just erase, fix it. I bet you'll get this one. We'll try just one more and then we're done with this page. Day and deal are our guide words. And we have 3 choices again. We have dynamite, date, and dazzle. Can you eliminate one of these right away? Hopefully it jumped right out at you. You were right. Dynamite, we can take that one off. DY definitely is not going to be on this one. We're going to find that a couple pages after this page. So we're looking at date and dazzle, D-A-T and D-A-Z. Our first guide word is D-A-Y. Does T come before or after Y? So you have R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y. All right. T comes before, so date cannot be, but we know X, Y, Z. Z comes after Y. So we're going to find dazzle on that page. I hope this helped a little bit, being able to go through it together and just practicing asking yourselves those questions. The part here at the bottom would have been something we would have done in class because we have those big red and green dictionaries, and we could have looked these up and written the guide words that we found. But most of you don't have a big dictionary at home. If you do and you want to practice that, just have mom and dad double check it for you because everyone's dictionary is going to be different. And I probably don't have the same dictionary as you do. If you don't have an actual dictionary, you can just skip this part and we'll practice on a different page another time. All right, have a great day. Bye.